mga kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are excited to introduce to you guys isa pong actually it's a private place,
yes,
no? Located dito po sa Mexico, Pampanga, and this is called Fujimoto Villa Resort. So if you're interested to know more about this, we are looking for a place that is just secluded for our family.
Yes.
So if you want to know more, watch this video.
So tara, let's go!
Actually, Mark, no, sa likod natin, we have two types of their swimming pool. So during the night, actually, this is really looking great, no? With their falls, with their mga fountains.
Even the lights.
Even the lights. This is the great setup for us to, you know, enjoy an intimate
celebration
day.
party.
Actually,
yes.
So speaking of celebration, so tignan naman natin yung parang mga pinaka-gazebo niya. Alright, so this is the place where amazing things happen naman. Because this is the place where we eat.
Meron silang long table. Pwede ka magluto. At the same time, pwede rin gawin dito yung pinaka-main function party mo.
Exactly. So this time, guys, we are going inside one of their rooms, no? So currently they have 2 rooms available for parang overnight. Can accommodate 2 to 3 persons, depende yan. And then additionally, meron silang mga mattress. Ayan, no?
There you go.
Ayan, so this can extend up until dito sa area na to. I think this room can accommodate 5 persons.
5 to 6 persons.
5 to 6 persons. So they have 2 rooms, approximately 10 persons. All in all, yung pwedeng mag-ano dito overnight. So yun nga, no, additional amenities dito are their cottages. So right now they have 3 cottages. Meron tayong 2 small size cottage. And then the other side is a really huge cottage. No?
At the same time, meron din silang mga video dito.
Exactly.
So, pwede rin kayong mag-enjoy. Good thing here, di mo problema ang parking. Sa parking can accommodate at least 3 cars.
3 cars, yeah.
Safety din yung mga kotse nyo dito.
Alright, so aside from the great view of the majestic Mount Arayat dito po sa lugar ng Eden, Mexico, Pampanga, is you get to play in this huge gym, no? So yung mga magche-check-in dito, you can actually play in this gym aside from having a coffee in these very great benches. So the location of this paradise, if I may say, is sa Barangay Eden, Mexico, Pampanga. Right after mag-exit po kayo sa Mexico NLEX exit, probably less than 10 minutes you're gonna arrive here. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, if you want to know more about this place, you have to check their fan page, which is flashing on your screens right now. The way it is being set up here is you rent the entire place, meaning you have the, you know, the whole place, the whole resort, the whole villa for your family. So if you want it a private celebration or even a weekend gathering, a weekend family time, this is very suitable. And at the same time, what we're giving you is another option. That's what we do. We discover great places here in Pampanga, and this is another place for you to check out.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. At the same time, pwede namin bisitahin to.
Exactly.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.